perfect for slurries and thick fluids. Knife gate valves ensure smooth operation without clogging their contact.
Welcome to Ductile Flow, your trusted partner in high-quality valve manufacturing since 2010. Specializing in a wide range of fully equipped valves and accessories, we cater to diverse industries including petroleum, chemical, urban water supply and drainage, shipbuilding, medicine, and more. Our commitment to excellence and customer care sets us apart in the industry. We can offer comprehensive valve solutions.
Thanks for watching this video.